said she wanted you to open up. You did. And then she pulled away. Sound familiar? Let's break down the weird psychology behind why this happens and the 4 silent mistakes that are ruining your relationships without you even realizing it. Picture this. You meet someone amazing. She's responsive, excited, saying yes to every plan. Everything feels easy. Then she says, I want you to open up more. Show your feelings. So you do. And suddenly her energy shifts. She becomes distant. This isn't about playing games. It's about timing, context, and emotional intelligence. The 4 relationship killers. Mistake number 1, trauma dumping. Here's the first mistake, trauma dumping. You start revealing your deepest scars early on, thinking it's being real. But there's a line between vulnerability and emotional dumping. Vulnerability is saying, I've been through this, and here's how I grew. Dumping is unloading raw pain onto someone who barely knows you. Instead, share your lessons, not your open wounds. Build emotional intimacy gradually. Mistake number 2, becoming her therapist. Mistake 2, becoming her therapist. You think that listening to all her problems will make her feel connected. But listen, she doesn't want a counselor. She wants a partner. You should be supportive, yes, but maintain boundaries. Conversations should build connection, not drain your energy. Let her vent to her friends. With you, she should feel lighter, not heavier. Mistake number 3, losing self-control. Mistake 3, losing self-control. Whether it's anger, alcohol, or oversharing under pressure, you let emotions take over. Here's the truth. Strength isn't about being emotionless. It's about regulating emotions when it matters most. In chaos, people should feel safer around you, not more anxious. Learn to stay grounded. That's what builds real trust. Mistake number 4, lacking core competencies. Mistake 4, lacking core competencies. These are the everyday life skills that quietly scream reliability. Think about it. Can you drive with confidence? Handle confrontation calmly? Protect yourself and others if needed? These aren't ego things. They're competence signals. Want to be attractive? Become capable. Take lessons. Learn conflict resolution. And while building these skills inside is key, looking the part can make the difference between being noticed or overlooked. That's exactly why I created the LooksMaxing Playbook, a simple 45-day step-by-step system that helps you upgrade your grooming, style, and overall appearance to match the strength you're building on the inside. It's designed to give you practical, actionable steps every day so you don't have to guess what to do next. If you're serious about leveling up your confidence and transforming how you show up, check the link below to get your copy and start your transformation today. Now, tell me in the comments, what's one skill you're going to develop this month? And if you want to supercharge your progress, don't forget to grab the LooksMaxing Playbook. It's helped hundreds of guys step up their look and confidence in just 45 days, and it can do the same for you. Links right below.